So you sit down to watch something on Prime Video, but the video suddenly got stuck. You might be seeing a black screen even. And if your other apps are working fine, but only the Prime Video isn't working the way it should be, let's go ahead and try a few simple things that can get your Prime Video working once again. So first of all, if your internet is working, like if you're using a Google TV, you can't even load the homepage without the internet. So as you can see, my homepage is loading, everything's fine, the internet is okay, but only the Prime Video is not working. In that case, first just go ahead, cold boot your TV. Plug it out from the power source, just wait about 3 to 5 minutes, and then plug it back in, turn on the TV, let it settle down and load, and then try using Prime Video once again. If that didn't help, depending on your TV model or brand, just navigate to the app section in the settings, look for the Prime Video app, and if your TV has the clear cache option, just go ahead clear cache of the Prime Video app. Because a lot of times, stored app cache and cookies for a long time might cause different types of problems. Now, in most cases, your Prime Video app should start working once again, just in case if not. Now, you gotta think differently. Am I using an outdated app? Just go to Play Store, App Store, or Streaming Store, depending whatever TV OS you're using. Find out your Prime Video app, and from the source it was installed. If there is an update available, it will show up in one of these buttons. Just go and update the app if needed. And if there is no update available, lastly, you can just go ahead, uninstall the app completely, and then reinstall it back to your smart TV. And trust me, these are all the simple ways that you can fix almost 90% of not working problem of Prime Video app on your smart TV. If you're still having an issue, just write that down below in the comment section. We'll get back to you and help you. Thanks for your time.